This is Darren with Black Rock Underground. Today's date is April 10th, 2024. I'm at the property address of 20575 Southwest Westside Street, Beaverton, Oregon. I'm going to be performing a post-sanitary sewer inspection on a point repair that we just completed for a root intrusion and a cracked pipe. I currently have water running down a 4-inch ABS cleanout here in the front of the home. I'm going to go ahead and drop down to the bottom of the clean out. Zero my foot counter out. I'm going to begin pushing. This is existing cast iron. Here we transition to 4-inch ABS, and here's the beginning of our repair, and here's the end of our repair. This is where it transitions to 6-inch concrete. I'm going to go ahead and continue out to the main. And here we are at the main. I'm going to shut the water off, let it drain out, and then I'll begin pulling back. Alright, I've let the water drain out for just a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling back. Again, this is 6-inch existing concrete. Flip the video over. And here we are in our repair. Back into 4-inch ABS. 4-inch cast iron. And here we're coming back out to clean out. Everything appears to be in working order. This video was performed with a rigid push cam with a 1-inch lens and no skids. That'll end the video. Thank you.